In this video, I'm gonna explain how to trade bearish engulfing to take profit because me, in my own opinion, I like to trade in short because when the price go down, go down fast. Today the price opened with a gap down. Nothing interesting in the first hour because the price was oscillating. The price was in sideways. And from here, with this bullish engulfing, the price went up. And from here, the price made a pullback and then continue going up. In this point, almost the close of the previous day, the price dropped down. And this is the candle is a bearish engulfing. It is a solid red candle. This means now it's time to enter input. But wait, always, always, always start off above. Very tight. Not right here, neither here. Above the same candle. This way, if the price goes up, accept small losses because this is part of the game. When the price going down, we must wait for 4 or 6 red candle in row to exit. The price continue going down. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like I said, between 4 or 6 red candle in row, it is exit because in average, these two number, 4 or 6 red candle, it is enough to take profit. So right here in this green candle, I took my profit. Nonetheless, another bearish engulfing. This time I re-enter input, start off above, and exit with this big solid red candle. When you enter input with bearish engulfing, the more important thing after you get in this trade is set up your stop losses above the same candle because this is a bearish engulfing. If you get in this trade, automatically you must set up your stop losses above, very tight. This is the smart way to trade bearish engulfing because if bearish engulfing doesn't work, if the price goes up, we're going to lose a little bit money, instead lose big money. I hope in this video help you out to trade bearish engulfing. In the market, always there are opportunities, and you are focused, concentrate. You master candlestick, price action, clean chart like this. You in 6 months you gonna become profitable, but you must be meticulous, disciplined every single day. Study the chart, study support system, be focused, and you can make a lot of money in this business because this business is a privilege. You can work from your comfort or your house. You can do trading everywhere. There is no limitation. Thanks for watching.